Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty in the agate black metallic paint. Beautiful looking truck. This one has the Tremor off-road package on it, so you get the nice 35-inch tires. And I love the running boards that come on the Tremor as well. And this one's powered by the 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. Fantastic powertrain, known for its reliability. The dual tip exhaust there. Then you do have your rear parking sensors here, your rear view camera, and your 2.5-inch trailer hitch, and your different trailer connections there. It is a soft descending tailgate, and you do have the tailgate step built in here. This is an option on this truck. You also have the fifth wheel prep package with your different connections and your LED bed lighting, and you get the Ford Tough Bed spray-in bed liner. Beautiful truck. Coming around to the interior, you have black ActiveX trimmed interior, power sliding rear window, nice bright twin panel moonroof, heated rear seats back here, your own climate controls and different power options. And then you do have your partitioned fold flat storage, so it does fold flat if you'd rather have it flat. Coming around to the front of the truck, you have power adjustable and telescoping trailer tow mirrors there, so you can extend those out. You're towing a large trailer. Driver seat memory there, power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjusting and folding mirrors there. Automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals. Very comfortable front power seats with lumbar that are heated and cooled. Stepping into the vehicle, you have a customizable 12-inch digital display right behind the steering wheel. Really nice heated steering wheel on this truck. You have your cruise control and your different settings to adjust the rear view, the screen behind the steering wheel. A nice 12-inch center display. Pop it in reverse, there's your rear view and your 360 camera. Integrated trailer brake controller, different 4x4 modes and drive modes. Dual zone climate, of course. Heated and cooled seats, your wireless charging pad. You do have a cover if you'd like to cover this as well. And I like how in the Super Duty you get the nice big cup holders here, so if you have a nice large Yeti or anything, it'll fit comfortably. Remote start on the key fob as well as with the free Ford app. Locking center console storage. There's a couple more USB ports in there as well as the two up here. Locking glove box, and then some storage above that as well. Nice B&O audio system on this truck. Auto dimming rear view mirror. This one does have the upfitter switches, and then your different sunroof controls and your universal garage door opener. So really beautiful truck all the way around. If you're interested in this truck or you'd like a truck similar to this, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan, or any time of the day directly at my cell, 647-546-9348. And if I don't have the exact truck that you're looking for here in inventory, or you like this truck but you want a different color, please reach out to me. I'm able to get a wide variety of trucks and bring them in for you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you get the exact truck that you want and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.